Having the right tools can make all the difference when it comes to tackling tasks around the house or on the job. I have listed the best 20 Amazon hand and power tools you probably didn't know you needed. From handy gadgets to powerful devices, these tools can help you work smarter and more efficiently. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Bessie Parallel Clamp. Featuring an ergonomically designed two-component handle with a steel socket, this parallel clamp allows precise force application using a hex key or driver, reaching a maximum torque of 17 Nm. Its powerful operation provides secure clamping force up to 1,700 pounds, with the operating jaw remaining steady for effortless setup. Ideal for high-strength, precise, and gentle clamping, it protects workpieces with non-marring pads and rail protection pieces. The cold-drawn steel rail bar ensures top-tier quality and precision. Ziboleasel Ultrasonic Cutter. Designed to cut through various materials such as PVC plastic, resin, leather, cardboard, acrylic sheets, wood chips, and textiles with smooth precision. The ultrasonic cutter offers 2 cutting modes and 10 power levels, catering to different material needs. Effortless cutting is achieved with gentle, gradual pushing, allowing the tool to do the work. Its compact and lightweight design ensures easy handling, and its operation remains silent and dust-free for a cleaner workspace. Teslon Inspection Camera. Equipped with dual lenses, this inspection camera offers versatile viewing with a main lens featuring a 30 to 100 mm focus range and a side lens with a 20 to 60 mm range. A 5-inch 720p HD color IPS LCD screen provides crisp visuals, housed in a durable casing made from industrial-grade plastic and toughened glass. Rated IP67 waterproof, the camera excels in wet environments. Its built-in 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures around 4.5 hours of continuous use, complemented by adjustable LED lighting for enhanced clarity. Camsin Pin Nailer Kit. Built with lightweight die-cast aluminum construction, this pin nailer offers impressive durability while minimizing user fatigue. Its narrow and thin muzzle allows precise nailing, enhancing accuracy on the working surface. Featuring high-quality craftsmanship, the tool ensures smooth operation with minimal jamming. Safety is prioritized with a dual trigger mechanism, and the automatic nail adjustment feature allows compatibility with nails of various lengths, making it a versatile tool for various upholstery tasks. Thankston's LED Flashlight Gloves. These innovative gloves provide a practical hands-free lighting solution, perfect for tasks performed in dark or dimly lit areas. Elastic fabric construction ensures a comfortable fit, while adjustable Velcro straps secure the gloves in place during work. Featuring LED lights on the index finger and thumb, they offer precise illumination exactly where needed. Ideal for outdoor activities like camping, fishing, cycling, and climbing, they also make thoughtful gifts for DIY enthusiasts and handymen. Seika Mini Chainsaw. Engineered with a powerful pure copper motor, this 6-inch mini chainsaw delivers superior cutting efficiency and extended service life. Its rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, while the lightweight design, weighing only 2.5 pounds, offers effortless handling suitable for all users. Safety features include a lock mechanism and protective baffles to prevent accidental injury. Whether trimming branches or resizing boards, its high-quality guide chain guarantees smooth, accurate cuts for a seamless woodworking experience. WORX Jaw Horse. Constructed from durable steel, this clamping workstation delivers exceptional strength and stability, holding projects securely with up to 2,200 pounds of clamping force. Its 37-inch clamping range accommodates standard 36-inch doors with ease. Designed with non-marring urethane pads to protect materials during clamping, it provides ideal support for premium woodworking projects. The tripod base ensures stability on uneven ground, while the foldable design and unlockable wheels offer convenient storage and transportation. Duratec Telescoping Lug Wrench. Crafted from fully heat-treated steel, this extendable lug wrench offers enhanced strength and durability for efficient tire-changing tasks. Its telescoping design extends from 13 and 25/64 inches to 20 and 15/32 inches, providing greater torque for improved performance. Equipped with dual-size sockets, 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, 23mm, its chrome vanadium steel construction ensures reliable quality. The wrench conveniently stores in a compact storage bag, featuring dedicated pouches for socket organization and hanging holes for easy workshop access. Central Electric Hydraulic Rebar Cutter. Built for efficiency and precision, this electric rebar cutter features a powerful 4-plunger pump body that delivers fast cutting speeds of 1 to 1.5 seconds. The upgraded CR12 MOV blades ensure extended service life and consistent performance. Operating smoothly with low noise and a pure copper coil motor, it minimizes dust and sparks during cutting. The ergonomic handle and simple one-button operation enhance usability, making this tool ideal for heavy-duty industrial applications. Innocent Furniture Lifter. Engineered with durable steel construction, this furniture moving tool set supports loads up to 220 pounds, allowing you to move heavy items with ease. The compact sliders are equipped with strategically placed roller wheels, ensuring smooth gliding across floors. Its space-saving design makes storage effortless, while the lightweight build enhances portability. Ideal for shifting large appliances or furniture pieces, this tool provides convenient handling without sacrificing strength or reliability. Wolfcraft Hole Saw. Effortlessly achieve precise cuts with an infinitely adjustable tool designed for drywall materials like OSB, plasterboard, and softwood. Its streamlined process includes loosening, adjusting, and fastening for a clean finish every time. Built with integrated scales covering all standard dimensions, the device ensures accurate measurements and consistent results. Perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, this tool delivers smooth and efficient cutting, enhancing productivity and ensuring top-quality workmanship. Seika Foldable Level. Experience convenience with a multifunction foldable level that seamlessly transforms from a compact rectangular block to a straight level ruler. Designed for easy storage, this tool fits perfectly in bags, toolkits, or vehicles, making it a practical choice for various projects. Equipped with 4 clear blue acrylic vials, it delivers precision accuracy of 0.5 mm per meter. Whether for tiling, furniture assembly, or construction, this versatile leveler ensures flawless alignment and measurement every time. Vibalite Telescoping Magnetic Pickup Tool. Equipped with LED lights, the innovative tool makes it easy to pick up metal objects in blind zones, with a long-lasting LED ensuring visibility. The 5-piece magnetic pickup kit efficiently gathers screws, bolts, and other small items. A comfortable, non-slip handle ensures secure grip during inspection tasks, enhancing usability and convenience. Its portable, lightweight design makes it a practical addition to any toolbox, especially for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. General Tools Digital Moisture Meter. Ensure a safe environment with a moisture meter equipped with a humidity sensor that quickly identifies high moisture levels, preventing harmful mold growth. Its water leak detection capability enables continuous monitoring of suspicious areas. The easy-to-read backlit LCD and stainless steel pins provide accurate readings across various materials. Built for precision, this tool is ideal for wood, drywall, and other surfaces, promoting effective moisture management and improving indoor air quality. Pony Hand Clamp. Effortlessly clamp materials with a tool designed for one-handed use, translating hand pressure directly into clamping power. Featuring a durable construction and a 4-inch opening, it provides reliable performance for various applications. The durometer handles offer a soft, comfortable grip, ensuring ease of use during extended tasks. Ideal for woodworking, metalworking, or general household repairs, this tool combines convenience and efficiency for secure, steady clamping. Schumacher Battery Load Tester. Achieve accurate battery diagnostics with a reliable load tester designed to assess battery condition, starter motor draw, and overall charging system health. With 50-amp load testing for 6-volt batteries and 100-amp for 12-volt batteries, it tests batteries up to 1000 cca. The durable steel case ensures long-lasting performance, while heavy-duty color-coded clamps provide secure connections. A top-mounted rocker switch allows simple operation, making this tool essential for automotive maintenance. Edward Tools Paint and Mud Mixer. Designed to fit most standard drills, the durable mixer blade features a zinc-plated steel construction that resists rust and ensures longevity. The 5/16" hex head design prevents slipping, while the efficient blade mixes paint, mud, grout, and concrete effortlessly. Its lightweight build makes it easy to handle, and the long shaft reaches deep into containers, saving time and effort. An essential tool for contractors, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone tackling large mixing projects. Arcane Ace Clamping Garden Tool. Engineered with a patented lock design, the heavy-duty tool hanger provides secure storage for garden tools and equipment. Constructed from industrial-grade steel, it supports up to 420 pounds, making it ideal for shovels, rakes, and other heavy implements. The clamping mechanism allows easy adjustments along the wall track, while anti-slip rubber-coated hooks ensure tools stay in place without damage. Its space-efficient design makes it a practical solution for any organized garage. Wallet Ninja Multi-Tool Card. Packed with 18 functional tools, the compact multi-tool card slips easily into your wallet or pocket, combining utility and convenience. Made from 4X heat-treated steel, it withstands bending, breaking, or rusting, offering long-lasting durability. Whether opening bottles, tightening screws, peeling fruit, or serving as a cell phone stand, it proves invaluable in everyday situations. Lightweight and versatile, it's the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts, DIYers, and anyone on the go. Tieable Electric Drill Plate Cutter. Compatible with corded and cordless drills, the efficient plate cutter delivers neat, accurate cuts on various lightweight metals, including steel, aluminum, and copper sheets. Its durable titanium alloy construction resists breakage and deformation, while the easy installation process saves time. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, it handles metal roofing, trim pieces, and more with precision. The ergonomic design ensures effortless handling, making it a reliable addition to any tool collection. Who knew your toolbox could get this exciting? These 20 Amazon hand and power tools are all about making your DIY projects smoother, quicker, and more efficient. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, having the right tools can make all the difference. To snag the best deals on everything featured in this video, don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tool enthusiasts, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.